Do you know that Zulu maidens wear cow fat during the Umemulo ceremony? Yes, actual strips of white fat draped gracefully over their bodies. But is it just fashion? Or is there something much deeper behind this practice? Let's take a closer look at this sacred tradition, one that speaks volumes without saying a word. The fat is called Umhlwehlwe, and it's not randomly chosen. It's taken from a cow, not just any cow, but one slaughtered as part of a powerful rite of passage. It is made from strips of white fat or membranes from a slaughtered cow, traditionally gifted during the celebration.
After she's gone to the river to wash off ibovu, she then wears that. So that is basically, that signifies as a veil that covers her until she gets home. And that's when she gets home, that's when she takes it off and then wears Umhlwehlwe, which is cow fat.
Before we continue, welcome to Avadata TV, where African culture comes alive. From traditional dances to soulful music, from ancient stories to colorful traditions, this is your home for real African heritage. Whether you're here to learn, reconnect, or just enjoy, Avadata TV brings you Africa's true spirit, proudly shared with the world. Come along and explore with us. Come closer. Let us unwrap the meaning behind the beauty. It's often draped across the shoulders, chest, or waist. Symbolically, it represents purity, honor, and transition into womanhood. It also shows that the maiden has reached a respected and celebrated stage in life, often signaling readiness for marriage.
During the Umemulo ceremony, a cow fat is being wrapped around the lady, that's the maiden. It's a sacred act which signifies spiritual blessings, ancestral protections, and purity as the maiden transitions into womanhood. So you see, in Africa or in our African culture, when you see slaughtering of a cow, it's not only for feasting or for the purpose of eating. It has an ancestral significance or cultural significance.
It's a visual proclamation. This girl is now a woman, blessed by her ancestors and honored by her family. It's deeply spiritual and cultural, not just decorative. But among certain Zulu communities, there's a deeper layer of belief. Some say the Umhlwehlwe holds secrets. They believe that if the fat remains white, the maiden is still a virgin. But if it turns brownish or falls apart, it's a silent signal that she may no longer be.
So in our culture, the cow fat needs to remain white. So if the whole thing probably tears up or it changes, like it becomes red, whatever the case may be, that means that that lady is not a virgin. So it always needs to remain white.
Whether this is spiritual revelation or symbolic folklore, The belief remains vivid, especially in parts of KwaZulu-Natal. But this isn't just about color. It's about connection with the ancestors, with one's body, and with the cultural codes passed down through generations. The Umhlwehlwe becomes a sacred conversation between the living and the unseen. It whispers truths, honors transitions, and binds community in tradition.
This is my praise to you, my daughter. Through good times and bad, I've never raised my hand against you, not because I feared you, but because I love you. I trust you with all my heart, and I know you will never disappoint me. Today, we go to fetch the young man to show you our love, pride, and support. It's our way of blessing you, thanking you for keeping your dignity, and helping you start your journey into womanhood with honor and abundance.
So, the next time you see a maiden cloaked in shimmering strands of white fat, know that it's more than dress, it's more than style. It is history, it is heritage, it is the Zulu spirit, wrapped not in silk or gold, but in the sacred memory of cattle, family, womanhood, and the ancestors' watchful gaze.